is 4, minus 1, that's 3, quick maths. Everyday man's on the block, smoke trees.
Good morning students, welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School Nevada. Dear students, today I discuss theorem of exercise 7b related to Thales theorem and similarity. So there are so many theorem today I discuss related to similarity, that is AAA or SSS. So please see here. Dear student, today I discuss some basic theorems of similarity. So I want to discuss some similarity problems. Dear student, if two triangles have same shape and same size, then this is the called congruent triangle. Same shape and size means, shape means आकृति और साइज मीन्स आकार. अगर दो ट्रायंगल का आकृति और आकार दोनों एक ही प्रकार का हो तो हम लोग उसे कंगुरेंट ट्रायंगल कहते हैं. कंगुरेंट का हिंदी नाम सर्वांगसम होता है. सर्वांगसम मीन्स सभी अंग समान. परंतु सिमिलरिटी में साइज की कोई मतलब नहीं होती है. इन सिमिलरिटी two triangle are similar when it has same shape but different size. Dear students, to find out the triangle are shape are same, both are triangle like as same, but size will be different. So this type triangle are called similar triangle. So in geometry, all equilateral triangle are similar. In geometry, all circle are similar because it has same shape but different size. So these circle are similar. Equilateral triangle like here. So all are equilateral. Suppose these three equal, these are equal, these are also equal. Suppose this side is 2 cm, its side is 4 cm, and its side is 8 cm. So it is also equilateral, it is also equilateral, and it is also equilateral. But all are different size. Shape is equilateral. So in similar, figure are only similar if shape is same but size are different. And it has so many rules like as congruency. In congruency, SAS, SSS, RHS, etc. Similarly in the similar. So today I discuss from theorem first, and that is theorem first is AAA. Dear student, if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Hence the triangle are similar. Here are two triangles. One is very small, I draw here. Its name is ABC. Another triangle is large, like here. This triangle name is DEF. DEF. Its angle will be equal. It is A, then D. It is B, it is equal to E, and it is C, and it is equal to F. And you have to prove their corresponding sides are in the proportional, and then it is similar. So in given, you write let ABC and DEF are two triangles such that angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Because if two triangles in the corresponding angles are equal, so their corresponding angle are equal, then to prove, what is to prove? Their sides are not equal, their sides are in proportionally equal. That means AB by D is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. And hence triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF by SSS method. Given AA method and you have to prove by SSS method. So dear student, you have to prove this is question, that is angles corresponding are given and side you have to prove. So first you draw DP on AB such that DP is equal to AB. Draw DP on DE such that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC and join PQ. It is a construction. So dear student, now find the congruency relation between ABC and DPQ. So what is given that in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, congruency relation AB is equal to DP from construction. Next, angle A is equal to angle D, that is given in your question. And third, AC is equal to DQ, this is from construction. So by SAS, two sides and included one angles are equal. So by SAS congruency theorem, triangle ABC congruent triangle DPQ. If these are congruent, then what is the relation between them by CPCT? So this angle B is equal to angle P. So I write here angle B is equal to angle P by CPCT. But angle B is equal to angle E is given that. Hence, angle P is equal to E. But these are corresponding angle and equal. But these are corresponding angle and equal. So, corresponding and equal, so PQ parallel EF. So PQ parallel EF. Hence, by Thets theorem, DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF by basic proportional theorem. And this DP you can write AB by DE, and this DQ write AC by DF. It is equation first. Similarly, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF from it is equation second. Similarly, then you can write all three parts are in the ratio. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF from first and second. All three parts are equal. Hence, triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF by SSS similarity. Because all three sides are in the proportionally equal, then these two triangles are similar by SSS property. Now, next theorem, that is SSS. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. It is your questions. I write here given, let ABC and DEF are two triangles such that AB by DE, BC by EF, AC by DF are given. AB by DE, AC by DF is equal to BC by EF given. To prove their corresponding angle are equal, here write AB by DE, then opposite of AB is C and opposite of D is F. So C is equal to F. AC by DF, AC opposite is B and DF opposite is, so B is equal to E, and last BC by EF, then BC opposite angle A and EF opposite angle D. These you have to prove, and hence the triangle are similar. So dear student, congruence, first find the relation between these two triangles ABC and here is DPQ. So dear student, given is AB in proof, right here. In proof, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. It is given. Now from construction, AB is equal to DP by DE is equal to AC is equal to DQ by DF. What you conclude? When you write DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF, in previous chapter you have read clearly that if the sides of the triangle are in the ratio, the line will be parallel. So PQ parallel EF by converse of basic proportional theorem. So by converse of basic proportional theorem, the line will be parallel. And now find the relation between triangle DPQ and triangle DEF. The relation is this angle P is equal to angle E. Angle E. Why? It is corresponding angle. Similarly, angle Q is equal to angle F. This is corresponding angle. And angle D is equal to D. This is common. So by A triangle DPQ similar triangle DEF means this triangle are similar to this large triangle. Then again find the similarity, that is DP, let's go DP, then it is DE, PQ, then it is EF. Similarly AC, then DF. Sorry, DQ, then DF. Here DP is equal to AB from construction. So you write AB by DE is equal to PQ by EF. Equation first. Why it is? Because DP is equal to AB. And AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Second equation, it is given in your questions first. Hence, what you conclude? AB by D, AB by D. So RHS will be equal. So we write PQ by EF is equal to BC by EF. EF cancel. Hence, PQ is equal to EF. If PQ is equal to EF, then again find the relation between the two small triangle of congruency. Then find the relation between two small triangle in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. AB is equal to DP from construction. BC is equal to PQ. Proved above. Because you proved here that PQ is equal to DC. You proved here PQ is equal to DC. So I write here DC is equal to PQ. Proved above. And AC is equal to DQ. It is also construction. So by SSS. So by SSS triangle ABC congruent triangle DPQ. Hence, by CPCT, what you get? You get angle A is equal to D. Prove first equation. Next, angle B is equal to angle P. It is also CPCT, but DP is equal to angle E. Hence, B is equal to E. Similarly, angle C is equal to F. Here B is equal to P given by CPCT, and here P is equal to E. The relation between the corresponding angle B is equal to P by CPCT, P is equal to E by corresponding, hence B is equal to E. Similarly, C is equal to F. So find out, student, A is equal to D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to F. So by AA, so by AAA, triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF. That's okay. This is theorem number 4. Theorem 3 you solve by method 1 and 2. So I solved theorem 4. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, suppose it is a right angle triangle ABC. So what is your question? Again read. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle triangle to the hypotenuse. Suppose I draw it perpendicular from the vertex of right triangle to the hypotenuse. On hypotenuse, then the triangle on the both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle. Means if you write triangle CDA, then it is similar to whole triangle, that is CAB. First. Second, this small triangle you write triangle BDA, then it is similar to triangle BAC. And third, triangle CDA is similar to triangle BDA. These are small triangle similar to whole triangle. These are small triangle similar to whole triangle. And lastly, these two small triangle is also similar. So dear student, it is to prove, we solve one by one. First, these are small, how it is similar to large triangle. Then next, these are small triangle, how to similar to large triangle. And lastly, these two similar to each other. So be careful, see here. First, I prove the similar in proof. In triangle CDA and triangle CAB, what is given? This angle C is equal to C. It is common in a small and large also. This is large triangle, then C present. This is a small triangle, then C present. You write here common. Next, angle D, and here is angle A. In a small triangle D, it is 90, and large triangle A, it is 90. So, triangle CDA similar to triangle CAB. Proof by A property. Both triangles are similar. Similarly, in triangle BDA and triangle BAC, what you get? You get B is equal to B. This B is the triangle BAB and this B also in BAC. Both are common. Next, angle D is equal to angle A. Both are 90. This is D in a small triangle and this is A in large triangle. Both are 90. So, by A, triangle BDA similar to triangle BAC, and proof. Before third, you write 1, 2, 3 as a naming of triangle, like as 1, 2, 3. What is the value of 1 plus 2? It is 90, then you write it is 90, and 2 plus 3, it is also 90 by angle sum property. Because this is 90, then the sum of these two angles is also 90 in triangle DL. Hence, angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3. So 2 to cancel, then you can write 1 is equal to 3. And now you write in triangle ADC, a small triangle, and triangle BDA. You write this is angle 1 and it's 3. Prove above. Proved above. You write here 1 is equal to 3. So you write proved above. Next, angle D here and D is there. So angle D is equal to B, it is 90. Hence by AA similarity triangle ADC, similar triangle BDA proved.